settle for one screen when you can have three? The Huawei Mate X-T is the ultimate mobile powerhouse, and it's going to blow your mind. Forget everything you know about smartphones. This trifold device is rewriting the rules. Meet the Huawei Mate X-T, the future in your hands.
Welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the highly anticipated Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate, the world's first trifold smartphone. From its innovative design to its cutting-edge features, let's see what makes this phone stand out in 2024. First up, let's get into the unboxing. As expected, Huawei delivers a premium experience with minimal packaging. Inside, you'll find the phone, a 66-watt fast charger, a USB-C cable, and a unique case designed to protect its foldable form.
The Huawei Mate X-T's Z-shaped trifold design is unlike any other. When folded, it's slim and compact, but unfold it, and you get a massive 10.2-inch 3K OLED display. It's the perfect mix of portability and productivity, offering a tablet experience in your pocket. Huawei has engineered an advanced Tiangong hinge system, allowing the phone to fold both inward and outward. This hinge feels durable, and while there's a slight crease in the display, it's barely noticeable during use. Yet let's talk about the display. The 10.2-inch 3K OLED screen offers stunning colors, deep contrast, and vibrant visuals. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or working, the Mate X-T's screen is immersive, with no compromise on quality. Thanks to the OLED technology, blacks are deeper, and colors pop off the screen, making this one of the best displays we've seen in any foldable device. The crease is minimized and barely impacts the viewing experience. The Huawei Mate X-T is equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture, giving it excellent versatility in both bright and low light conditions. You also get a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 5.5x optical zoom. Performance-wise, the Huawei Mate X-T is powered by 16 gigabytes of RAM and comes with storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The exact chipset hasn't been officially revealed, but we expect it to feature Huawei's Kirin 9000S7 nanometer chip or other for top-tier performance. Harmony OS 4.2. The software is optimized for foldable use. You can easily switch between folded and unfolded modes, multitask with split-screen apps, and enjoy a smooth, lag-free experience when gaming or browsing.
Battery life is another highlight. The Mate X-T features a 5,600 mAh silicon-carbon battery that supports 66-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. With heavy use, the phone easily lasts through a full day, and with fast charging, you can get from 0 to 100% in under an hour. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Huawei Mate X-T starts at around $2,740 which makes it one of the most expensive foldable phones on the market. But considering its trifold design and cutting-edge features, it's a price tag that reflects innovation. Right now, it's available only in China with no word yet on international availability.
Sum it up, the Huawei Mate X-T is an incredible piece of technology. The trifold design, high-quality display, powerful to camera, and impressive performance make it a unique contender in the foldable market. While the price may be high, for those looking for the latest in foldable innovation. What do you think? Is the trifold design the future of smartphones? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in tech, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.